Ciao, I'm Esther Vaida.
I'm Alfred Zappola.
We're in Brolo in the province of Messina, where it's scorching hot in the middle of July.
Ooh, even the pigeons are walking. It's so hot today, Esther.
And while a lot of children are enjoying this beautiful scenery and the water in the summer, a lot of children took part in another very successful Sicilian project summer camp. Alfred Zappola, you are the founder and chairman of the board. Why did you start this?
To teach children how to speak English so they can compete in this very tough economy in the EU, that's why.
All right, enjoy highlights from graduation.
My name is Denise.
Nice to meet you. What is your name?
My name is Rafael.
Raphael, nice to meet you. What is your name?
My name is Giorgio.
John?
John.
Giorgio. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
What is your name?
My name is What's your name?
My name is Chiara.
Okay, thank you, Chiara. What's your surname?
My surname is Lorenzo.
Can you spell that for me?
V-E-N-T-U-R-A.
How old are you?
I'm 10 years old.
Okay, good.
Welcome to the Sicilian project. Inglese è la lingua del mondo. It's very important that you begin to understand the English language so you can compete as you get older with the rest of the EU. It's very important. We train 200 students every year. We do it here. We do it in Monreale, Catania, Via Grande, Giardini Naxos, Gaggi, for free. It doesn't cost any money because of the generosity of the Americans.
Good evening. Are you ready to order?
Yes, please.
For starter,
For starters, I'd like a chicken soup, please.
kitchen soup. Okay. For the main course.
For the main course, I'd like a chicken and potatoes.
Okay. For the dessert.
For the dessert, I'd like a loaf of chocolate cake.
And for the drinks.
For drinks, I'd like fruit juice.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you too.
Can I help you?
Yes, I'm looking for a pair of jeans, but not too expensive.
There are nice and they are not very expensive. They are on sale too.
Can I try them on?
Yes, the fitting room is over there.
I'm not sure. I think they're too big.
Let me see if I have a smaller size.
These are a better fit. How much are they?
40 pounds.
Okay, please put it on. Congratulations. You're welcome.
Michael Russo. Bravo Michael. Bravo Michael. Aurora Last. Angelica Convertino. Complimenti. 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 Ma se non hai così tua mamma, complimenti. Bravo Francesco. Come si dice pesce in inglese?
Fish.
E pescheria? No, neppe fish non può essere.
Fishing mom.
Complimenti Mr. Ventura. Alunna Maria Lamoni.
No, dai. Oh my God, please. Thank you very much.
queste iniziative
It's
siano
very
assolutamente
important this type of experience, and that the children have the possibility and the opportunity to come in touch with English, to improve the English language, because nowadays, if you know English, as we say in Italian, you have all the doors open. You can go all over the world and you are able to work and to communicate everything. The English summer camp has been and is very important because it gave the 21 children the possibility to improve their English, and it was a lovely experience. All the kids, I think they appreciated it very much, and they worked hard, and I hope we will be able to try it again, this kind of experience. Thank you to the Sicilian project. Say thank you.
Did you have fun?
Yes. Did you enjoy the English course? Yes. Only Vincent, he's the Thank you very much.
So much fun watching those children interact, and of course we want to thank Joe Monticciolo for putting this camp together and all the board of directors for all the work that they do.
Even the vice mayor who was there today was very, very thankful that we did this program, and I'm hopeful we could do it again.
Okay, if you love what we're doing, make sure you donate. Go to www.thesicilianproject.com. Ciao!
Ciao!
Curiosa cibo si spiava.